Hi, dear students. Welcome to Math Solutions by Pani. Here, the question from inverse trigonometry. We are in that exercise 2C. We are in second bit. Question number 10. We are discussing, dear students. So, tan inverse x root x equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. See how we are going to prove this result. See, it's very important this type of questions, dear students. Yeah, I hope you got it a good clarity on this video, dear students. So tan inverse root x. So you have to consider LHS RHS. Better what I am doing is consider RHS half into cos inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x, which is equal to half into cos inverse of 1 minus x can be written as root x whole square by 1 plus root x whole square. So here put root x is equal to tan theta. So that implies that theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Till here you got it, now dear students. So wherever root x is there, replace with tan theta. 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. We know the formula 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is the formula for cos 2 theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So which is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse of, this is cos 2 theta. So cos 2 theta in terms of tan formula, dear students, which is equal to half into, we have the formula again cos inverse of cos x equal to x. So by using this cos inverse of cos 2 theta is 2 theta. So your 2 to get cancelled, theta is there remaining. So what is theta? We got it here, tan inverse x. Tan inverse of root x, dear students. So is it equal to LHS or not? Hence proved the result, dear students. So next, prove that cot inverse of root 1 plus sin x plus root 1 minus sin x pi root 1 plus sin x minus root 1 minus sin x. So here 1 plus sin x, 1 minus sin x, we need to simplify, dear students. See, 1 plus sin x. So 1 can be written as, so root we can take better. Cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. plus sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So which is equal to square root of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Root square cancel. You will get cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Okay, dear students. So this is about root 1 plus sin x. Similarly, root 1 minus sin x. So root over, same procedure you have to follow. Cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So which is equal to square root of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Root square cancel, and you remember cos x by 2 when x is less than pi by 4, x is belongs to 0 to pi by 4 means what? So x by 2 is obviously less than pi by 2. Less than pi by 2 means it is obviously greater than 0. That means positive. Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So wherever root 1 plus sin x is there, replace with this value. Root 1 minus sin x is there, replace with this value. So, yeah, Shakil, thank you for joining. So cot inverse of sum of these two, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus of that value. So means minus cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 multiplying by minus, dear students. So cot inverse of minus sin x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Here minus cos x by 2 plus cos x by 2. Cos x by 2 plus cos x by 2, 2 cos x by 2 divided by sin x by 2 plus sin x by 2, 2 sin x by 2. So which is equal to cot inverse of cos x by 2 by sin x by 2, that is equal to cot x by 2. So cot inverse of cos x is x. So cot inverse of cot x by 2 is x by 2. Hence prove the result, dear students. I hope you understand. Still any doubts are there, you can write in the comment box, dear students. I will help you in this regard. Question number 12. Prove that tan inverse of root 1 plus x minus root 1 minus x divided by root 1 plus x plus root 1 minus x is equal to pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x minus 1 by root 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1. Here hint is provided. What is that hint is provided? Put x is equal to cos 2 theta. So based on that we will proceed, dear students. So x is equal to cos 2 theta we can. So first calculate root 1 plus cos x, 1 plus x and root 1 minus x. root 1 plus x equal to root by taking the helping of x equal to cos 2 theta 1 plus cos 2 theta which is equal to root 2 cos square theta, so which is equal to root 2 cos theta. Similarly, root 1 minus x equal to root 1 minus cos 2 theta which is equal to root 2 sin square theta which is equal to root 2 sin theta. So later the difference of these two and sum of these two also we can write it. So tan inverse of root 1 plus x minus root 1 minus x by root 1 plus x plus root 1 minus x equal to tan inverse of root 1 plus x means root 2 cos theta minus root 2 sin theta whole divided by root 2 cos theta plus root 2 sin theta. So root 2 if you take out common from numerator and then denominator and cancel it. So tan inverse of cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, dear students. So tan inverse of cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta. So that only we got it, dear students, which is equal to tan inverse of cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. We have direct formula, otherwise cos theta take common from numerator 1 minus sin theta by cos theta by cos theta take common from denominator 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Cos theta get cancelled. So which is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus tan theta divided by sin theta by cos theta tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. So you know the formulas of trigonometry. Since tan of pi by 4 minus theta or 45 degrees minus theta is equal to 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. So if you remember this formula directly, we can write it. Tan inverse of, this is tan of pi by 4 minus theta, no? So which is equal to tan inverse of tan theta is theta. So pi by 4 minus theta. So here one important thing is there. What is that important? Here x is equal to cos 2 theta. 2 theta is equal to cos inverse of x. Theta equal to half cos inverse of x. So this is also important here, students. Here, this is we are taking that. This is important one. So pi by 4 minus wherever theta is there, replace with 1 by 2 cos inverse of x. Hence proved, dear students. They are asking to prove pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Hence proved. Now question number 13. Solve the following. Solve the following equations. Question number 13. 2 tan inverse of cos x is equal to tan inverse of 2 into cosecant x. Then find x. That means solve the equation means you need to find x value, dear friends. So let cos x is equal to some theta. That implies that theta is equal to cos inverse of x. Therefore, the given equation will become 2 tan inverse of theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 into cosecant x can be written as 1 by sin x. Am I right, dear students? Keep it like this. We know the formula for 2 tan inverse of x is equal to 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. This is the very important formula and standard result, dear students. 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. So what is x in this? Theta, no? So first you write it like this. Tan inverse of 2 theta by 1 minus theta square is equal to tan inverse of 2 by sin x. So wherever theta is there, replace with the cos x. Tan inverse of 2 cos x by 1 minus cos square x is equal to tan inverse of 2 by sin x. So that implies that tan inverse of 2 cos x divided by sin square x is equal to tan inverse of 2 by sin x. So comparing both sides tan inverse x functions and then equating the values, 2 cos x divided by sin square x is equal to 2 divided by sin x. So 2 get cancelled. One of the sin x also get cancelled. So cos x divided by sin x is equal to 1. That implies that cot x equal to 1. So when cot x is equal to 1, cot x is equal to cot pi by 4. So that implies that x is equal to cot inverse of cot pi by 4. X is equal to cot inverse of cot pi by 4 means pi by 4. So therefore the value of x is equal to pi by 4. I hope you understand, students. We'll move on to other question. Question number 14. So solving for x. Tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x, where x is greater than 0. So how to solve this problem? Here, just I am denoting the formula tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. So by observing the given data, tan inverse of 1 minus x is as it is by 1 plus x can be written as 1 into x. Can I write like this? Equal to half tan inverse x. So it is in the form of tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. So we have this formula. By using this result, tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. So this minus tan inverse x bring that side. Tan inverse of 1 is equal to tan inverse of x plus 1 by 2 tan inverse of x. So tan inverse 1 means tan inverse of tan pi by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1. So 3 by 2 tan inverse x. So tan inverse of tan pi by 4 means pi by 4 is equal to 3 by 2 tan inverse of x. 2 ones, 2 twos. So that implies that 3 also bring this side. Pi by 6 is equal to tan inverse of x. That implies tan pi by 6 is equal to x. That implies x is equal to tan pi by 6 means tan 30. Tan 30 means 1 by root 3. I hope you understand it, students. Yeah, in this session, this is the last question we have. Question number 15. Solve arc sine phi by x plus arc sine 12 by x is equal to pi by 2. X is greater than 0. So in what way we can find the solution? So arc sine means it is sine inverse of phi by x plus arc sine means sine inverse of 12 by x is equal to pi by 2. Yeah, any idea, dear students? write in the comment box if you have any idea. Yeah. So first, what I am going to do is this 12 by x, bring that side. Sine inverse of 5 by x is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse of 12 by x. So we have formula. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So from this, cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse x. So it is looking like pi by 2 minus sine inverse means, can we write cos inverse of 12 by x, the sine inverse of 5 by x. Okay, dear students. Any one of the side we can take as some alpha and proceed. Let sine inverse of 5 by x is equal to some theta. That implies that 5 by x is equal to sine theta. Okay, dear students. So 1 will becomes, equation 1 implies that theta equal to cos inverse of 12 by x. That implies that cos theta equal to 12 by x. Squaring on both sides. Sir, why sir you are doing squaring? So cos square theta is equal to 144 by x square. Cos square theta means in terms of tan, in terms of sine. 1 minus sine square theta is equal to 144 by x square. So that implies that 1 minus, here 12 by x whole square, sine theta is there, no, 5 by x. Here we have the formula. So 5 by x whole square means 25 by x square equal to 144 by x square. That implies 1 is equal to 144 by x square plus 25 by x square. So that implies 1 is equal to 169 by x square. That implies x square is equal to 169. Are you all getting, dear students? They are asking to find x, no? That implies x is equal to plus or minus root 169. So that implies x is equal to plus or minus 13. Since x is greater than 0, so x will consider only plus 13, dear students. I hope everyone understand. This is the way you can do that. Thank you, dear students, for joining the session. Till here we finished exercise 2C, complete inverse trigonometry completed, and the multiple choice questions are there. In shorts, one by one we will upload the dear students these questions. Thank you for your joining the session. Thank you all. I'm going to end the session.